In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your MacBook Pro to record using the two microphones here in the Zinczenko New Media Center. Here in the audio booth, we have a small compact audio interface that connects to your MacBook via USB. So you just find the USB cable and connect it to your MacBook. We have included the USB-C adapter in case you need it. So the next thing you're going to want to do is select which microphone you're going to use. If you're using both, you can turn up both of these microphone controls. Microphone 2, you just follow the cord. In this case, it's going to the microphone here on the right. And microphone 1, follow the cord, is going to the microphone on the left. If you're only using one of the microphones, be sure to turn down the one that you are not using. So that way it's only recording out of this microphone and not bleeding into the other microphone, which you're not directly speaking into. So again, if I was just using this microphone 1, I would turn down microphone 2. And of course, if I was only using this microphone, I would turn down microphone 1, the microphone that I'm not using. And typically these will have to be turned all the way up. That's pretty normal for this type of microphone. It needs a lot of gain to get the levels that are required. And again, that's okay. Headphone volume here is for if you're using the headphones, so you can monitor what's going on there. So that's really all there is to it. So you connect it to the MacBook and you adjust the level here of microphone 1 and 2. Now within your software, you have to select this audio device as the audio input. So for example, I've opened up QuickTime Player here and I can do a new audio recording. And I can pull this pull down menu here to select the microphone. By default, it may select MacBook Pro, the internal microphone. But here we want to select Onyx Blackjack. The Onyx Blackjack is this device here, the Onyx Blackjack. So you select that in your audio software. And again, you could use this in Zoom, you can use this in GarageBand, whatever audio program you're using, just simply select the Onyx Blackjack as your microphone device, and then you will be able to use it for your software. If you don't actively select that, you may, again, just be using the internal MacBook microphone, which is, of course, not nearly as good. So again, connect USB, adjust levels, select it in your software, and then you're good to go. Hope this helps.